ladies and gentlemen, to Istam Talk. We are back to your screens and we are about to keep you glued to your screens. This is your host, Bobby in the building, and I'm with my fellow friends, the one and only. Yes, darling. You got us all tea, malume bana. How are you doing, darling?
Sanbonani Dumelanga Busheni. Hello, this is me, your man, Salty. Welcome to Stamto Podcast. Bonang Chila Lerona. Today it's the day Bona Yasoga. Mushitoto Lapili. Why? Thank you, Bobby. Hi.
Hi. Labana bataba nambiala no chena no batla ntho hot you know what afodise matshwao you know anxiety top the roof.
I think alcohol.
Yeah,
Alcohol. We smoke. Right now we smoke and
Lilibane.
yeah. Reina.
Lilibane.
I'm talking about us. Reina.
You and who?
You smoke, Luella.
Do I?
Okay, I think what you. I think I'm not sure because Lena like na Lena on na. Say hey, PP, how's it?
I'm good, darling. When
yeah, I can't complain. Wait.
What's happening today?
Nothing much, but that subway. Earlier on, I was with one of my friends driving from work to the site, get at the site. So it was that thing, Is it twe? Is it twe?
It's twe. I got like a plague.
Twe. Is it closer?
Yes, it's closer.
Serious?
Yes.
Yeah, so now I can sketch up the story, so you understand. I can sketch up the story, but I heard the child was sexually harassed.
No, actually, she was molested at school. Let's put it like that. They molested her.
What do you mean?
Like, it's so sad. So allegedly, because the facts are everywhere, and then you know the blogs, they'll be saying one thing after another again. So apparently, Ukwete was molested at school by a teacher, or for instance, an adult. She's a teacher, an adult, and she's only 7 years old. So when I came over here, apparently, I can't believe I'm going officing a teacher for a cleaner. A 7-year-old, ne? Keep that in mind. A cleaner the office, and so and old teacher felt, or you know what, ish, Lomtan has him. So they penetrated her anus.
Is it like So actually, let me just say they raped her.
They raped her, yes. They raped her, and apparently, allegedly, there are three suspects. There are 3 suspects who are literally facing charges at the moment that are still going under investigations. For now, what actually happened? And to my surprise, apparently Kwetwe is still alive, and Wanabatu is scarred for life. And recently, Mama was involved in a car accident, a very bad car accident. But thanks to Unkulunkulu, thanks to Unkulunkulu.
So what happened? Did the accident happen before?
It happened after, during the investigation. So when I'm reading through the blogs, apparently it's like allegedly the accident was targeted. You know.
The mother?
Yes, as soon as possible.
It's tough, Musa.
It's tough out here.
No, South Africa, it's a lot of stories because I think maybe they're trying. Maybe she has enemies. I don't know. We don't know. Maybe she has enemies. I mean,
I think it also goes back to these days. Do you get my point?
What do you mean? Oh, same story as that colored lady. You saw that colored lady.
That colored lady, Mdana for a sacrifice.
Yeah, Mdana for sacrifice. She sold.
You know, the powder. Imagine, Orekisa wanted to sell 20K for just a powder, you know.
Yeah, no, Mzanzi, now I saw it on social media. Social media, Kiboni, that lady, like I wasn't following the story.
Yeah.
So after, I don't know, active one day I sat down, Kasheba, like guys, you know when you do things more social
Yeah.
media, or slide, and then this lady came, well colored. Then I read the story saying no, ngwana o nyamaletse all of a sudden, and and the one of the friend Uchilo Are, the lady who killed Moyena, after she sold the child to a traditional healer.
Healer, yes.
Yeah. Utlile Are Moyena, no, bona ke tshware tjhelete. She had money. I think she had like 20,000 or
Yeah,
something.
20 blocks.
Yeah, she had like 20,000 Moyena, no. Oh, with new clothes. Ka diaparo tse dintjha and stuff. I was at a friend of, no, I just bought clothes. Understand? So that's when people more social media and started to be interested in the story. So, but it's cruel. It's cruel. Like it's very cruel.
Yeah, but going back to Ikesa, like when I ask Umzali, how would you feel as specifically you, a father of a daughter, and when she comes home, you hear stories, but you hear stories and the body language also speaks for itself. For it, something is wrong with Dana Meazi today. And Pella, as I am, like you body check Dana, see everything is still everything, no scars, no bruises, because when they badlala ko one can fall and actually scars, those minor scars. But one more no, actually, Wanaka is like traumatized about the experience. It goes to with him. How did the mother receive the news? How about no one in that state of ish? Umtaname ma, umtaname, and what actually happened? Phela as you're entitled. Yo, now if you mama the truth.
I can imagine. Ubona ngwana a tswa especially ngwana ngwana. Ko sekolong e tshantsa tlhape madi or did this happen? Baba money ko ntlung or
allegedly ba mmone ha tswa sekolong, and
was she bleeding?
yes, yo how ka bona tlhako tsa hae.
Shit.
Tlhako tsa hae like the full of
Shit.
igazi,
Shit.
and in an instant it's very rare for ngwana at that age at home to go to her menstrual things. Yes, it's highly likely. But for Uqweqwe, yeah, like it was literally there. Sorry, become mono with him. Umntana went through something, and it from Mtana Zokulanga.
I show me I'm always busy these days, and I wait to interview. I saw one of the new news people, but no, the interviewer. Kadi strike, the strike that happens 2 days, 3 days back. Yeah.
Yo, and then you know what happened on that strike? Apparently, one girl more was striking. Machi dawa bona ba fitla ba mo shela, and girl refuses. Yeah, but they ended up hitting her.
The same day
on the strike.
Yeah.
Some guys thought it was best for Bashelet this girl and Habakam Hanafel about Shop. Umtanabantu was bleeding. Like one more no see this Umtanabantu is scared for her life at that moment. Like Bamu Shapile.
So the guys Baba Toto Namo.
No, I still have to go through it, check it in now on the blogs because like one more now because she can't even say what actually conspired, but allegedly Leonora was striking justice for Twetwe and to protest for. Actually, the strike was about for Petrisi Afanekanto got the DNA test because no batlan taught the DNA test for.
What do you mean? When you say Petrasi Orang, he's white.
He's white. Talking headmaster.
Principal.
Headmaster. The very same person that Petro was sent to clean the office for.
Umaga.
What's
I think it's something to do or in our connection somehow. Don't you think so? In our connection, I mean, all of a sudden, let me just say, all of a sudden, like there's a lot of kids come to school. You choose a specific kid. You send the classic kids. When you grow up, we used to clean classes. and especially every Fridays.
Every Friday.
Yeah, I understand. So Escolo says, well, we used to clean classes and let's say, well, okay, this week,
first row,
first row, I get the rows and rows and rows and rows. So I think that thing, why? Now my question is that why moarabana ba kaofela mo sekolong or grade e a leng ko yona ho choosiwa yena specially.
But it also goes back to how many children were victim of that. Go office like a principal, you're clean. Because in my understanding, this is not the first time in Zagaland.
Do you think
there are more children than us? That government has to investigate that school.
Yeah.
How many children were going to the principal's office by him cleaning?
Oh, yo. Yeah. And then maybe Babang already bafitile go sekolong seo, they are in high school now. Yeah. They can't even talk or stuff. So that it's a problem.
But it also goes to the fact that when it's a system school.
What do you mean?
System, because at the moment, it's still the same thing. Black people, we as black people, we favor white. Regardless of what I said, freedom after apartheid, we still favor white people.
Yeah, now according, sorry to say this, according to now I think I believe Bona Mzansi, what I'm saying, it's my belief, it's what I see things. Understand? I love white people. To be honest, I'm not saying I don't love black people. Understand? Understand? Kerata Mangamla. Why Kerata Mangamla? Mangamla are too strict.
When
no.
But yeah,
that's straight. They're crazy. They're crazy. They're living like us, but when they do things by in their own way,
yes,
and in a manner. Okay, for an example, let's put like now Iako clinicing at this moment. You there for clinicing from 8 o'clock in the morning, clinicing what time? From 8. Imagine from 8 o'clock we go clinicing, you attend the clinic, and then you get our black sisters. Baja chepisi. Kulutsi mola oja chepisi.
Yeah.
And then batho ba kula abam attend dula ona mo.
Okay. Papa, I go clinicing.
And it's emergency. More than emergency.
What if Kidali had failed and I'm about to collapse?
I went to Tembisa family clinic last time, and like I had a stomach acid. I went there. I got a white doctor. Fast, and he checked me thoroughly. Jo uncheckile, unchecker. He even said to me, I need to book you for a scanner. What is the problem? But to all our black sisters, our black doctors, you understand? Yeah, no. Yeah, also no have that medication. Over medication, and then it's done. Next time. So I believe for it. Hence, I'm saying I love white people because they respect their job too much. You understand? Go clinic, you go. The clinic, and I'm not going to lie. And I went to Don Park Clinic last time.
Yeah, that's why.
I went to Don Park Clinic last time, and this needs to be said. It needs. I tried even posting it on Facebook. You understand? Joe, we from 6 o'clock until 10 o'clock, people are outside. Abasobuli the gate. They are saying we don't have water. Abasobuli the gate, and it's raining. I'm telling you, I have a video. It's raining. But some people are sick. Joe, flip
Like
that,
it's
Joe.
really sad.
Flip that. Then we ask. I went to the go gating and I asked Tori, why batho ba patile montle? Nna bilane ke na le nkanenyana. Why batho ba dutse montle? Amanesa wekho. Kunamanesa i3.
Bakuphi?
How? Amanesa i3 and amanesa i3 ba attender kids, sick people, whatever, and whoever and ever. Bachenchana, so people are waiting outside. Manela people and so on. I don't understand why clinic it means, first of all. Why ningazivuleli singene? No, little senior body toilet. Nizomoshe ma toilet. So it's better.
But it's a public space.
So that's why I say I respect white people, because where there's whites, there's always order. Understand? Or due to whatever they did back then or however they behave, but work is work for them.
But the thing is, we cannot punish people of the present with mistakes of the past.
Yeah, true that. Yeah, true that.
The government holds that flag on our heads. So, Amabunu, they were abusing you.
Yeah.
Where was I? I wasn't there. I was not there.
Yeah,
yes, and that's where the country like literally fails. So, if you were to notice, majority of ANC members abantu abadala when our youth people Julius Malema, DA, they're recruiting us because they know young people minds, they're still fresh. Sharp corruption might be there. Everyone has a corrupted side. I'm not gonna lie about that. The minute parliament thing, I'll be like, ish, ekhaya azimele ngakhe indlu sengithatha imali lapho ngithi 1 million in my pocket, you understand? But at the end of the day, I still have to do what? To make sure that my country grows. Understand?
Yeah. So the blacks, just imagine if there were white people more government thing, especially with the tenders in no ka thola ditsela tse
di check what Trump did in his country after elections. And you know what? Foreigners who don't have papers, please get out of my country.
That's why I say, I'm sorry to cut you. That's why I say I believe in white. Trump was better. He's too much, yes. But I love the fact that counter.
You can try and
just strict I understand. Strict everything must start down now. Let's do the research. Mzansi, we're not jachelete. What do Canada, we're now corrupt. That's a good thing. But I think he's way too much now, this nowadays, because he ukata everything.
Trump right now, in my understanding, I'm not into politics, but what he's doing for his country, it's outstanding. Sharp, he can do too much, he can exaggerate, he can go far and beyond. But check on him. He is teaching us, okay, black child, wake up. Your country is letting you down. Your leaders that you choose are literally letting you down. Right now, hey, Trump did cut all our resources of the country. You understand? But I'm a back dog when Trump was saying, daughters, don't cut off our supply for our ARV abantu bethu bazoshona. Really? 2 minutes ago, allegedly, 2 days ago, allegedly on the blogs, hey, Cyril Ramaphosa and other students found a cure for HIV. People came up with those remedies long time ago, and those ideas were turned down because of what we rely on medication from what America.
America, yeah. So, Poppy, going back to
Say it with me.
Going back to hence we touch this topic here, the government. I think right what our government is doing in that situation. What are they doing?
What are they doing? Are they evaluating the safety of the schools? Are they evaluating the protocol, the code of conduct esikolweni? Are they able to investigate without the authorities being involved? But what actually happened? Minister of Education, Uyatanga KCA, did she or he go to the school? Alo dula fatshe le the minister, le the head offices. So hey, this is what's happening in Kaskolon. And apparently it's the best primary school that year. Apparently. Apparently. So Minister of Education and are they literally going through their books? Oh hey, we are letting down black people. Do you know how many people get raped every day? Sexually harassed or scholar by the teachers. Speaking as one of them, I wasn't raped, but I was sexually harassed by someone I thought, oh, you know what, they are superior above me. I'm not gonna mention the name. So what happened is, I'm a very friendly person. I'm talkative then. And then I can talk, but when I tell you shit, I'll tell you.
This is what I don't like.
This is BS, and I'm not gonna go with it. So when it happened, Tori, he decides to be touchy.
Now we're talking about you.
Yeah, you're talking about me.
Okay.
He decided to, you know what? I remember they apply, you know, metric, and I'm applying of it, and I'm done. Then at the same time, I'm busy writing a presentation. And I said I'm using his PC.
What grade were you?
I was in grade 12. Me, I'm busy doing it. Motho wa kena o tsaka ko classeng ya maths, you know, wa kena ha kena o yo o busy bona o ka ba motla jang ha le memo, and he starts touchy my boobs, and he ends up kissing on the face. Can see what you know, I literally everything else right there and then I just like, you know, and I went back to my dorm, you know. I tell my friend, this is what happened. Wait, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I don't want to address it. You understand? Because it go as if Kinna that pushed myself. Or you know what? I did those things to me. Understand? But hey, at the end of the day, when you start having nightmares about it, that's when you realize, oh, this was actually a serious case.
Do you actually have nightmares, Caroline?
Yes, I did.
Serious?
I did. Like, I couldn't sleep for like 2 weeks.
Oh my God.
I remember having to wake up in the middle of the night, and Chemiaka was literally was screaming, like you are literally screaming, and I'm like, hey, it's about that case, you know. Then we had to go to our dorm master. Ish mama. But 1, 2, 3. Ki teacher also, and it's about open, you know. Mama, you know what? When you get to the office, have family report, obviously since manipulating the system, then in a high like that, it's fine. Case closed. Let's sweep it under the carpet.
So you're trying to tell me, Hore, the teachers didn't believe you?
They didn't believe me. They decided to take his side. You understand?
They called
we were there, like so.
Why didn't you call your mom first?
And I'm like, dog, you know exactly this happened, and you are now twisting the story. Or that did that to you. Like, what kind of a monster do you have to be? Or you know what? You are shutting down my voice, or voicing how it should be more superior. Do you understand? But what happens if you have actually done this to other previous students that couldn't talk about it? So, do you understand? For Utata Asundana, she doesn't understand what's going on.
Yeah, that's painful.
She doesn't.
That's painful.
We have all know how abantu bayazekhaya bazo, you know, ama sweets, ama teddy bear.
I don't know if if Twatwa was my child, I don't know. To be honest, Wana Murutolar by 10. Ngaba slicer,
yes.
Ngaba wants story. To be honest, like I don't know, but I can feel the pain mama high.
A lot.
Yeah, I can feel the pain mama high, and it's so very painful. So now I don't know. I can say behave now.
So when it comes to my case, I can mama kaki esangoba now.
Yeah, traditionally.
Yes, sana.
Togoza, gogo. Yeah.
So when my mom, I remember until the time I reconciled about how does she go with the journey and everything. Then this lady in Nzeriakena, and wonder how there is this cloud above her, the sexual harassment.
The dark clouds.
Yes, yes, sexual harassment. Someone sexually harassed her, but those following they didn't see it like that.
Who are you?
Yes, the underground gangs, yeah, they do.
Yeah,
they do talk. Not talking the time, no, like but communicate the facts they use,
Yeah.
So this lady old age wonder how was sexually harassed for school and how do it because but by sweep her fast and the carpet sky torn, But now it's a hazy and in the more hunter, but she is learning to live through it.
So when on put before your mom, about ke matambo, you from school, the whole flipping years or year, you went home. How about anyone?
I didn't tell anybody about it.
Why?
It's a very uncomfortable situation and position, right? To put yourself.
But just to say, Mama, unale teachering touchy and agarata or
no. Take me for example, Nyapa dog. Speed that like I'm everyone. Look, how old are you now? For example.
I'm 36.
Yeah. Imagine you're 36, ne? Like when I see you, ne, I see you as my peer. You understand? Like we are able to communicate. I can confide in you. You can confide in me. Like if something is bothering you, can I that side of me? You know what? Let me sit down and hear the side of the story. If there's an other side, let me sit down and hear that other side of the story, and let's find a solution to resolve everything. That thing. And when my mom, when I couldn't tell my mom, I was like, ish. Yeah, ne.
I get to trauma.
It's not going trauma. Because it's not just about sexual harassment. I was cyberbullied.
Okay.
And now I went through everything. Yo.
But I know some black some so.
I cannot fight to save my life. I can't. The only thing I can rather find you in your very comfortable space, either bury you alive.
Something like that.
Something like that.
Yeah.
Like
you're
those
that kind of a person.
yeah. When I'm saying go taller, chisa, but taller the ashes to ashes. But and yes, I followed after that incident. 2022, I had a boyfriend, and the boyfriend decided I'm gonna tape.
Tape, yeah. Record you.
Tape.
Oh, oh yeah, da. Yeah, tape, yeah.
Group chatting amashit. Hey, you totally guy. Saying I was with some other dog. Hey, bro, you're trending. What the fuck? Get
What do
you mean get trended, Joe? And this kind of recording because we say I delete.
Were you guys busy?
Yes!
Afika camera a table.
Yes!
Oh my god. Okay, it's all.
I take back, I send a group chat in your magita, you todile, Mangata Wuntola, night video evidence. The pillar guys talk. Talk.
Amar Majidar disappointment. You know, guys, sometimes I feel I'm a guy, yes, I'm a guy, I understand that. But I feel worried.
Stupid. And then not realizing those dumb things, they affect certain people in different ways.
So were you having sex?
Yes.
Then after camera.
Yeah. No, not sex
Oh,
specifically.
yeah. Yes. Yeah.
So decided to, you know what, it would be a good idea
to record.
Poster chatting Yamajita, poster chatting Yamajita, and when it came out, I remember calling like you know, and Monday, my phone is blowing up. Magnet, that's when ubo busy lapho nani. It's so and so.
Kema, who's saying that?
Get me at the guy. And they got to me unampata, and I mean I'm dating the guy.
So yeah, wow, what's the opportunity?
Okay. Yeah. Let the winds have beg a man to go business than bad. Now you say, now I'm recordings. Mamela recordings. Like I am more and you say, yo. I don't know what came over me, but it went back to my sexual harassment.
It's it brings back all the memories. Those in yeah.
This has happened to me, and it's for the second time. Then when that happened, I remember taking medication from my side table.
Mm-hmm. You wanted to kill yourself? King, what happened? Was that trending everywhere?
Not like a whole Leon day. Go to guy Leon day. Leon day. The blue lights in club Leon they happened there. It happened there. And by that time, you could like one.
Shit. Did your mom saw it?
No, things like that. When they hit Umzadi, what's gonna happen?
Oh! Yeah. It's quite interesting. Yo! And then how did you deal with the situation?
Wanted to off myself. But
were you alone in the room?
I was alone in the room. Then again Loki. So this is what's happening. You want the phone, you want recording and everything. I'm just like, desire downstairs. Can I go home? So my friend, so I can those people up there. They were chilling, they were drinking wine. So about you, guys, this is what's happening, and she's not okay. You understand? So how do you feel in my room? I've locked, like, securely,
you down.
Securely, woozy, a bit dizzy, Hey, what are you doing in there?
You've already drank those.
I've already drank them. So you don't mail via some movie. Feel like I slit my wrist.
Oma Kaju.
Then you kicked open.
Were you bleeding also?
Yes, I was.
Oh, now what over?
Oh, like
shame.
It was too much.
Flip, yeah.
It was too much, and Gabawood, they're busy trying to call the ambulance. Ambulance is very. I get what it's the ambulance. South Africa. Okay, Shapo. Then one of the boyfriend of my friend was like, no, how we can come collect me to clinic once. I ended up losing my job over that. Because the minute you decide to off yourself, obviously in your head you're not mentally stable.
Marcho, I don't understand. Sorry to say that. I don't understand why Batu Wamuzama. I mean, if a lady Wamuzama over 1, 2, 3, why not to record?
Proof.
I can still tell them if I want to be them. It's up to them. Understand? Yeah, because now I remember when we grew up, I had high school. we used to, smell you up and say, Mfana kifiti, kifiti. Understand? That was our proof. About not yeah. Because I know I touched it one time. But that's our good tape and so on. I now it will have one career how
yeah, you
and then if it did on that video.
No, it didn't. If a little one up what you did.
Mara, it's just in the fact that you were not okay.
For 30 days, I was in a psychiatry ward for 30 days.
Well, and then didn't you report that work?
I did.
Number right.
I did. And when I went back, sharp, I stayed there for like 2 weeks.
Mm-hmm.
Then it happened to like the tablets that I took literally affected like my ovaries and uterine.
Yeah.
So I had like really, really painful, heavy bleeding.
Yeah.
So I couldn't go to work for another 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Then I reported to I'm not feeling okay.
Yeah.
Then unfortunately, your health problems are too much.
Oh, yeah. Story of your life.
Story of my life.
Story of your
life. That's
why
when I laugh, I make sure I'm in the moment.
Yeah.
Because you may never know what's going to happen.
What's going to happen tomorrow? Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. So katabe ya ka literally it was them. Yeah,
that's why only anger. So since we've been talking about it before we start shooting
everything.
We've been talking about it. So I never knew an experience that thing.
Yeah. It comes in different ways, different ages, but for her it's correct. It's betrayal on the highest level. So
don't you feel like now as a grown up woman, I know you are that teacher. Just or something. No, I
don't want to go there because if I go there, it will be like some bad again. And
oh yeah, wala tella vele wena vele nomfuna le maka
so I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna let everything lie. Like
but I'm glad you're over it now.
I'm over it, yes.
I'm glad you're over it and something that you can talk about it freely without people talk, because if we have topics like this, Moba Tumbabang, you'd
yes, I'll break down. Yeah. But now I believe I've already like signaled that wall. You know, that wall.
Strong woman.
I'm not in Bogota.
Yeah.
I'm not in Bogota.
Yeah.
But I've built myself that wall. You know what? It has happened.
Let me just
put it
at
the side of my head because continue.
Yeah.
You know, I have to finish my studying.
Yeah.
You know, that's why when I literally chose a career of being a teacher, it's like for me it's a calling. You know, every career is a calling.
Yeah, no.
You may never know. That's how long the teacher is not a calling. Maybe podcasting is my calling.
You don't know. We don't know. Yeah, Mzansi Rona, it's so very.
It's disturbing.
It's disturbing. I mean, our leaders. I hope our leaders more Barbone and Banahane at this thing, because now we're having a lot of Bona. I think she's one of an example. Yeah, the what's happening understand. And now actually she was touched. Nabamu pucha but I'm disappointed.
But
I'm disappointed. I'm disappointed.
You know, there are children literally that are not alive, that went through this case. But in my understanding, at least they're at peace. You know, they're not gonna grow up with that mentality of ish.
It's not nice, ne?
I was raped by so and so. Umama see when I'm done, made this happen to you, and don't be shocked if ever Utolo would say you're now with your husband. Because at the age of 7, obviously, Uzo called would say, oh, I was once penetrated by Umudomdana, you know, Uzo called. But the day you decide to go in bed with the person that you love, I can't go with it. You know what? I'm still a virgin, but you know also you're no longer a virgin. How are you gonna explain that to them? How is she gonna explain that?
So do you think if you were that kind of a thing happened years before, like years when you are 7 years or 5 years old? So is it still going to be like that? So that you're not a virgin anymore in 18 years to come, or
Sure, you can go back then, but it doesn't change the fact that you were penetrated.
the mind actually.
No, your hymen.
Umaka.
Your hymen, darling.
Eh?
The minute puts another dog. And you see, the minute puts in, obviously there's gonna be blood coming out. It means you have literally opened your hymen. Okay, again.
Dorothea. Come with it.
You know, that's why Barry, the outer layer of the JJ,
yeah,
it's soft. It can contract, right? And go back to its original self.
Yeah.
But the inside doesn't change that.
Doesn't.
It doesn't.
It stays like
that.
It stays
like that.
But the outer
part layer back to ibenyani again. Umuntu maka penetrator ingene. That's why sometimes when you're about to have a sexual intercourse, men get was a flow for like 2 seconds.
You check,
yeah. It's that part of it's closed and open.
Oh.
Some of us were built different.
Yeah, no, that's what I'm saying. I never liked what happened to Twe, and I'm wishing for everything by Tole. The guy must be arrested. Whoever did this must be arrested and for life. Understand? Life sentence or whatever. But I think
government of South Africa, but over 15 years.
So no, but actually, double life sentence.
Yes. Trump decided to bring back the electric chair in America. About if ever the person who did that to Twitter was found guilty, and our government still had the electric chair.
Yeah.
Electric chair.
Cheese. Achuke. Achuke. Yeah, no.
You know, like that same man.
Punishment.
Penalty. Punishment again. A penalty. You know?
Yeah, and
right now.
I feel so sad because we've got innocent people by lowering. They are arrested for false accusations, thoroughly. But those Baba Yins in that thing,
they're still walking free out
there. And busy it's so flipping. It's so like
how do you get those thoughts? How do you manifest in penetrating how?
I don't know what as Mutuaman and one that like a guy. I don't know banana because we've got you work, understand? You working, you principal at that moment. But let's go Josie. Bye bye. They're like Kempton Park, you go Joburg, you go Pretoria, you go whatever.
Anderson Street. Apparently get that around.
Yeah, older Anderson Street.
After Joseph.
Oh yeah. Apparently get the around. Takamampara wiki is 20 rand, right?
What's well like?
No, if it's the around, don't really babulela bare. Babulela. So I think it's useless for you or it's someone. So where else you know it? Bona 20 rand can work for you, understand? Kanenga and so on. Marafongwana. So I get the word basuga banahani. I don't know. That person
like we should really evaluate the mentality of men these days. I feel like we should do that.
Do you think so?
Yeah,
Go
because
on.
like, you know, most men go through the most, especially innocent men.
Thank you.
Men go through the most.
Thank you for saying that. Thank you.
Men go through the most, and we
Yeah.
as people don't see that.
What do you mean we as people?
Me
We as
as a
women.
woman,
Yeah.
as a woman. I get a man who like
Yeah. Yeah, relataring, like we monna ka nku, yeah, in
yes.
our language, in Tswana, Sotho,
Sotho,
and
yes.
in but monna ke nku.
Relataring.
It's like we cry inside as a man.
Kamopelong,
Kamopelong, understand? Yeah. To that, to my lady. Ayo.
But then it's very sad because sharp, some are arrested, some commit suicide. The death toll of people that commit suicide recently mostly is men because Bahatis. Imagine Emong committed suicide because of false accusations.
And a lot. We've got a lot.
You understand?
So Mzansi should start working, should doing.
We shouldn't cry for only women. We should also cry for men.
For men, yeah.
You understand? Chapu GBV, it's them, but I feel like it favors women the most because we are weak. You understand? There are women who literally bashapa banna. Like you could touch her panga as a woman.
And Mara, she won't get arrested.
I was arrested because she's a woman.
Why?
The minute Mutaka, hey, it was self-defense. Cases again.
But you get away.
Cases again.
And then why no in case? Yeah.
Because fortunately, when men get raped, you understand? You know men get raped. I
do, Mara, I serious. Like they don't take it seriously. I know what they don't take it seriously, but Joe, there is a story. You know, I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to talk about it, but there is a story. Yeah, one of my friends was raped. Bamu break lots of Virginia, rape, and ke chomia or lady lie. I don't want to talk about it. I don't even want to touch it because I know more than Pinchak. I won't talk about it. But yeah, this is it happens.
It happens. And I saw this video. It's a picture. I literally even posted it on my timeline. This truck driver.
Truck driver.
It's like a month ago.
Was raped by a guy.
A guy.
She's a woman or female?
It's a man. They raped anal. You know? And it's sad. It might be funny because I put out na how were you that weak? Were you that like
I think that's why there were too many. Baba. Oh, guys,
run!
Run away! Bao grippy. Run away. They spread you like
butter.
Like butter. Bon, you can't even move. And those understand? You can't even move. And it's so sad because at the end of the day, imagine how your toilet, what's going to happen. I can imagine that.
No, how your toilet. Apparently, like the minute it goes to anal, the more you do it, the more you can't hold it. Number two. Yes.
Wabo?
You cannot hold it. It just goes like. I wonder how to give people
managers. They do. They manage. Maybe for one hour. Yeah. They do. They manage.
Do they stuff cottons?
I don't know. You should ask them. You should ask them. I think we must have one gay person. Yeah.
I have a friend that needs.
Yeah, one interview and ask him how do you manage? How do you manage? Because I feel banally feelings and stuff, but
yeah, they do. You know, gay people are very sensitive. They are very sensitive. They're like women, but with higher. Maybe it's an estrogen.
Higher.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why I was wondering why gay people but too much than Basad. You know, they act like basad.
But they go extra.
They go extra.
They go extra. Come on. Dito ba wag ka tayong highly chama?
They go extra, but you don't do that, Lena. So, I don't know. They are doubles. Yeah, so, gents, Mzansi, everyone.
We really need to evaluate.
We really need to evaluate, gents.
We need to start cleaning our.
Yeah. Let's over straight and so on because South Africa, I'm disappointed in Mzansi.
Don't be disappointed.
I wish you're new.
Be disappointed in something. Now I don't mind Elon Musk not wanting to come home, Shem.
I don't blame him.
I don't. I really
things
don't.
that's happening here, Jody.
I don't.
We come home.
Yo, imagine he's already a billionaire in America in dollars. 10 minutes after South Africa, it's about $1 trillion.
Yeah, also challenge. That boat's your challenge.
He's smart.
Now I'm not blaming him. Oshapa via
Other Americans,
yeah,
okay.
so because
and apparently he's like best friends with Trump.
Kilichon.
Wow.
Obviously.
That's
Kilichon. So I'm sorry about what happened to you and how you shared. We shared. Yeah.
Literally.
We shared. How we shared. You shared with
a lot. Yeah.
We shared like Iona, and it teaches other people who don't keep quiet because
it hangs. Those skeletons in the closet, eventually they come out.
Yeah, she tried to report then go school imagine. So I'm disappointed the teacher school yeah I'm disappointed that the teacher is supposed to and so on, but like now on social media and stuff and I think more
follow guys. Follow me more, because I'm still dropping content on Facebook.
Yeah.
You know, I'm still dropping it, even though some of my posts, like they're important. I hide them behind jokes, but hold the motto and you analyze my posts, you understand she was actually trying to say this, but we hide it in a joke.
So kiss come to and I'm saying the Leskalebala, subscribe, follow and comment any comment to Wakayona, Latella Rona every Monday to Friday, Renalelona, and thank you, and it's just that.
It's been a pleasure, darling.
Yeah, Toma. From Miss Salty to Mrs. Pop. Nugget get Popoy. Popoy. Is it fine, Popoy? If you pizza Popoy. So yeah, from Miss Salty, Galarata
and Poppy. Yeah.
And Poppy, 24/7. Subscribe, don't forget, gents. Subscribe, like and follow. Naluena every day.
Because it helps the unfortunate souls like us. Like and subscribe.
Yeah, and share. Let's share. Nzansi, I'm disappointed. Nzansi, I'm disappointed. Kilona. And I wanna get in. Galekata. Axel Naka Naka Fire Musab.
Now Zanzi, I love you, ne? Go back and watch some government. The one if we remove those people.